Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cyber with Abhi. In today's video, we are gonna discuss about Microsoft Azure. Let's get into the video. It is designed in the year of 2010 by Microsoft. It is a widely used cloud computing platform like Google Cloud and Amazon Web Service. Azure provides wide variety of services. For example, to set up a huge server, you require huge investment, effort and physical space. In this situation, Microsoft Azure comes to our rescue. It will provide us with a virtual machine, fast processing data, analytics, and monitoring tool. It makes our work simpler. It works on pay as you go model, which means how much you use, you can pay only for that. How does Azure works? It is a cloud platform that helps to deploy and manage applications. It uses the technology known as virtualization. It separates the tight coupling between the hardware and OS by using abstraction layer known as hypervisor. Hypervisor emulates all the function of a computer in virtual machine. It can run multiple virtual machines at same time. Azure uses this virtualization technique and repeat it for massive scale in data center. Each data center filled with the servers. Each server includes hypervisor to run multiple virtual machines. All of those servers are connected using network switch. Azure provides various services such as computing service. In computing service, it provides virtual machine, app service and Kubernetes service. Virtual machine used to create and manage VMs. App service used for build and host web apps. Kubernetes service used to simplify the deployment and management of clusters. Storage service. In this there are three types: blob storage, file storage and queue storage. Blob storage is used to store objects for unstructured data. File storage is used for managed file that uses standard SMB protocol. Queue storage is used for messaging between the application using queues. Database services including SQL database, Cosmos DB, database for MySQL and PostgreSQL. SQL database manages relational SQL database as service. Cosmos DB is generally globally distributed multimodal database as service. Database for MySQL or PostgreSQL is fully managed for MySQL and PostgreSQL databases. Networking services. It contains virtual network, content delivery network, and VPN gateway. Virtual network provides provision private network securely connected to on-premises data center. Content delivery network used for high availability and high performance of content delivery. VPN gateway establish secure and cross-premises connection. AI and machine learning service. Azure machine learning, cognitive service and bot service. Azure machine learning used to build, train and deploy machine learning models. Cognitive service add AI capabilities including version, speech and decision making to your apps. Bot service develop intelligent bot with popular messaging channels. Analytics services including Azure Synapses Analytics, HD Insight, Data Factory. Azure Synapses Analytics used to integrate big data and data warehouse. HD Insight process big data with Hadoop, Spark and more. Data Factory orchestrate data movement and transformation. IoT, Internet of Things, having IoT Hub, IoT Central and Azure Sphere. IoT Hub is used to connect, monitor and control billions of IoT assets. IoT Central used to manage IoT app platforms. Azure Sphere is used for end-to-end IoT solution with security. Security services including Azure AD, Security Center and Key Vault. Azure AD, Azure Active Directory used for identity and access management. Security Center used for security management and advanced threat protection. Key Vault is used to manage and safeguard cryptographic keys and secrets. Azure having developer tools including Azure DevOps, Visual Studio App Center, Azure API Management. Azure DevOps uses tools for CI/CD, version control and agile planning. Visual Studio App Center is used to build, test and monitor mobile and desktop apps. Azure API Management used for securely publish APIs. It also having services like integration service, management and governance, hybrid solutions. Azure offers three main types of cloud computing services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. IaaS provides the most basic computing service, including virtual machine, storage, and networking. It is like a rental physical infrastructure, but it is managed and maintained by Azure. It having benefits like scalability, flexibility, and cost efficient. Example services such as Azure Virtual Machine, Azure Storage, and Azure Virtual Network. PaaS provides platform to develop, run and manage application without dealing the underlying infrastructure. It is ideal for developers who want to building and deploying applications. It is used for its simplified development, integrated services and maintenance free. Example services of PaaS including Azure App Service, Azure Functions, Azure SQL Database. SaaS deliver fully functional software application over the internet. User can access these applications from anywhere without worrying about the installation or maintenance. It provides example services including Microsoft 365, Dynamic 365, Azure DevOps. In today's video, we learned about what is Azure, Azure services, working of Azure and types of Azure services. I hope this video is useful to you. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Comment below if you have any queries or topic I need to talk. Thank you for watching.